Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to design business card with Canva. Let's get started. First, go to canva.com and search business card, then choose the standard size 3.5 by 2 inches. Then pick a template that fits your style, minimalist, modern, or bold, or start from scratch. Then click to edit the name, title, contact info, and logo. Make sure the text is clear and easy to read. Use your brand colors and fonts for a consistent look. Add icons for phone, email, or social media. Design the backside too. You can include your logo, a QR code, or a tagline. After that, click share, download, and choose PDF print and check crop marks and bleed for print ready quality. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.